Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an inspiring Python project called HerStory Generator, a program that randomly generates short stories about influential women from history or lets you create your own. We'll walk through the code, see how it works, and generate some HerStories together. Let's get started. This project is built using Python and works with a template file and a dataset of historical women figures. The goal is to generate a personalized, engaging short story about each figure. First, we have our main Python script, a text file with story templates, and a JSON file with information about women in history. This function reads story templates from a text file, one per line. These templates have placeholders like name, year, and achievement that we'll fill in later. And this one loads the dataset, a JSON file with details about women in history, including their name, profession, country, and achievements. This function takes a template and a figure and inserts the correct values into the story. If any data is missing, it fills it with a default placeholder. After generating a story, we save it to a file called herstory_output.txt. That way, you can keep a record of all the stories created. Want to add your own hero? This part of the program lets you enter custom details to create a completely personalized HerStory. Finally, we have a menu system to make everything interactive. You can generate a random story, create a custom one, view all historical figures in the dataset, or exit. Let's choose option 1 and see a randomly generated HerStory. Now let's try option 2 and input our own details. And if you're curious who's in the dataset, option 3 will show you all the historical women figures included. And that's the HerStory Generator, a powerful way to blend storytelling and code while honoring incredible women from around the world. Whether you're learning Python or creating educational tools, this project is a great example of how data and creativity can come together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more project walkthroughs and tutorials. Want to build this project yourself? Check out the link in the description for the full code and data files. And let us know in the comments, which historical woman inspires you the most?